Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market outlook. My name is Edmund. So for yesterday, we saw the US dollar weakening again at about 7 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, as US Treasury Secretary Mr. Steven Mnuchin mentioned that getting a stimulus agreement before the 3rd of November elections would be very difficult. So his announcement weakened the US dollar as early as mentioned just now, as early as 7 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. The US dollar came down from 93.59 levels and came down all the way to 93.22 before finding support at the dynamic bullish trend line. Okay, so aside from that, yesterday at about 5 p.m., Boris Johnson announced that he will extend his deadline for the Brexit talks from the 15th of November, which is today, and it will be extended until tomorrow, which is a Friday, 16th of October, as the European Union will be convening for the European Union Summit today and also tomorrow. Okay, so a lot of events happening for yesterday and also today. We saw the US dollar weakening about 33 points, and as the US dollar was weakening, we do see the UK pound strengthening from a low of about 1.2884 all the way to a high of 1.3063. Okay, so yesterday the UK pound strengthened 180 pips upon the announcement by Boris Johnson that he will be deciding on the situation regarding Brexit negotiations with the European Union after the European Summit on Friday. Okay, so this bought some time for the UK pound, and with the UK pound recovered nicely yesterday. So moving on to gold prices. Gold prices yesterday also bounced up from support levels of 1,882 and touched a high of 1,912. This was on the bearish dynamic trend line. Okay, and after that at about 10 p.m. the gold prices dropped from 1912 all the way to the current prices of 1891. Okay, so it's again a very exciting day for yesterday and also on Tuesday. Monday was a bit quiet, but Tuesday onwards the markets has been volatile, as we expect, whether it's for gold prices or even for the UK pound, which came down about 140 pips on a Tuesday and touched a low of 1.2860 on a Wednesday before yesterday afternoon towards the US sessions. The UK pound rebounded another 200 pips. Okay, so exciting times, and the S&P 500 yesterday was still on a bearish downtrend. Okay, coming down from 3,526 levels to the current prices of 3,473. Okay, so other economic data coming out today. Of course, the attention will be on the unemployment claims data coming out from the US tonight, along with the Empire State Manufacturing Index numbers. Crude oil inventories and natural gas storage will also be released tonight at 10:30 p.m. So again, a quick recap on yesterday's sentiment. US dollar weakened yesterday, and for the UK pound, it found support at 1.2864 levels, and then after rising to 1.3067. And as for gold prices also managed a rebound. However, it was still within the bearish trend line and came down after that. And for the S&P 500, it is still on a bearish downtrend. Okay, so for today, possibly we can look at the US dollar to test this bullish uptrend. If it doesn't hold, there's a high chance again it may drop to 93.02 levels. If it holds, the next upside resistance will be at 93.65. So that will be the range for the US dollar for today. And again, for if the US dollar does weaken, we could see the UK pound rise to the next levels of about next levels of 1.3252, which is about 250 pips to the upside. So a lot will depend on the negotiations between the UK and the European Union over today and also over tomorrow. Okay, gold prices wise, it has is still on a consolidative range. From the upside, is on a bearish downtrend. So gold prices in the short term could test the recent highs again of 1912, which is about $15 to the upside, and to the downside it should have some support at 1882, which is about $14 to the downside. So that will be the market updates for today. Hope you guys have had a good trading day yesterday and on Tuesday. And for today and tomorrow, rest assured there will still be action happening, especially tonight and also tomorrow. So have a good trading day ahead and happy trading. Thank you.